Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to save data in Roblox Studio. So in order to enable save data, we have to go to Roblox Studios. So in the search panel, firstly we will type Roblox Studio, then click on open. After that, we'll go to my games and load in one of our creations. Firstly, let the game load. After the game loads, go to game settings, then go to the security tab and enable studio access to API services. After enabling this option, your game will be able to access the data service of Roblox and save data in there. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.